Hi everyone, this is Daniel from JuppLee, and today is August the 27th, 2022 at 10:03 a.m. and it's a Saturday, so still working. So today I'm just going to be looking at this account, and this is one of the worst violations you can have, which is, your account violated the unacceptable business practice policies. So if we go ahead and look at Google, unacceptable business practice policies, you know, Google will suspend the account if it believes. Now, remember, unfortunately, Google is judge and jury, which is frustrating, but anyway. If they believe that you're scamming users by concealing or misstating information about the advertiser's business, product, or services. For example, you're trying to pretend that you're another company, which you're not. So, if you're using like the word, I don't know, if you, let's say you're trying to pretend you're McDonald's, that you're a burger company in Chicago, and you're trying to represent yourself as, McDonald's. Or, you're trying to get people to part with their money through a fake business that lacks the qualifications or capacity to provide the advertised product or services. So, let's say, for example, in this case, this company that we're going to go through in a second is a mechanic company. They go out and they help people fix their cars. Let's say they didn't even have a car to go out and to fix these other people's cars, or they had no qualifications to fix these cars. Um, or you're doing false advertising that could endanger someone's life, or their safety, or pretending to provide a critical service that results in a delay to the user receiving treatment or medical help. So, for example, you know, let's say that you're a dentist, and you're saying to people, hey, if you don't get your tooth out, you're going to die in 2 hours. That's kind of where they're going with that. Phishing techniques, if you're trying to trick users into revealing their personal information by mimicking a trusted brand or a bank. So, let's say that you decide to open a website tomorrow called Wells Fargo, and you're not Wells Fargo, trying to get people's credit card information. Of course, that is a violation. Um, that's not the case here. Google, if they believe that you're in violation of this, they're going to suspend your account immediately. And this is not the case here, guys. I mean, look, this company is a national roadside company, or they're called Nation Roadsides. And all they're doing, I mean, okay, their website may not be the most amazing one in the world, but I don't think that's grounds to suspend an account. You know, um, again, they're not a secure website. It doesn't say on Google's policy that you have to have a secure website. It's recommended, of course, but the policy itself doesn't say you must have a secure website. It only says, that you're trying to scam people, you can't do the work, you're trying to misrepresent yourself. That I understand. I completely understand. But what's frustrating for me as an account manager is having a customer like this that is a genuine business. They're offering a service to change someone's tires, to do jump leads, jump start, sorry, lockouts, fuel delivery. Why have they been suspended? We don't know. So, we are about to do a detailed appeal and say, Google, you've got this wrong. Relook at this situation. Now, sadly, what happens is when you do a appeal, normally 60-70% of the time, you're going to get an email back saying, hey, we've looked at your account and you're going to get these magic words. Your account was and still is in violation. And we understand how frustrating that could be. So, we have a 300-page document that goes through the policies, and we have to outline to Google in a very complex way that we're not in violation. And that's what the client has paid us to do. So we're going to go ahead and submit that appeal now. And again, it's 27th of August 2022 at 10:08 a.m. So let's go and see what happens. And again, if you notice when you click on Contact Us, we have that red bar there. If I refresh it now, it's still going to be there, but we've just submitted the appeal as we're speaking on this camera, so it's going to take probably about a minute for it to update. And you're looking for that blue screen. That means that Google has got the appeal. Once we get the results of the appeal, guys, we'll update you. I mean, it's more than likely that the initial appeal, which we expect, it's going to be rejected, because normally that's what happens, and then we have to push back with more evidence, and it is really frustrating, and I understand exactly where you are in relation to this, because it is frustrating that you have to prove yourself innocent in these situations, and it is frustrating. The customer now is down. Their website is not advertising. They're not getting those leads. They're not getting those customers, and they're losing revenue. So, we completely understand. We really, really understand where you guys are at when this happens to you. Let's see if that appeal has been submitted now. It takes a while, guys. We're looking for that blue screen to pop up. Let's see if it comes up. Contact us. And there we go, it's filed. So we've got our case number here. Case number ends in 32665. 32665. So we've done the appeal now. Let's see what Google says, and of course we'll update you as this case progresses. And I've seen cases, I've seen results, and today's a Saturday, it's going to probably take a while, but I've seen results get fixed within an hour to a week or two. After 5 days, we will call Google, and we will say to them, hey, what's going on? Why is our account still suspended? It said we'll get a result in 5 days. So we do chase them. All right, we hope you found this video useful, and fingers crossed we'll get this fixed, and of course we'll update you as we get along. Thanks for watching.